Alright, hi everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to get your video or your animation over to your website. So if you go over to your Pages tab, you should already have a digital storytelling page created, and you embedded your mind map on that page in the last video in the last module. Okay, now it's time to get our digital story, the actual video or the animation, into this page. So what I'm going to do is come up here to the Build tab, and I'm going to grab the Embed Code option. Now this will be the same whether I am using WeVideo, whether I'm using uh, Powtoons, and then if you are using a YouTube video, I'll show you how to do that as well. So I grabbed the embed code element, dragged and dropped, and then I will go. Let's start with Powtoon or WeVideo first. I went up to my videos. I'm looking at my video, and what you want to do is look for that share link or the embed link. Okay, so I'm gonna tap on that, and that'll bring up my code. I've got the width and the height here. Okay, probably don't want to go any bigger than 8 or 900. Okay, but I will copy the code. Right, I can close out of it. I can come back to Weebly and paste it in. Okay. Now you notice that it's pretty tight. It's pretty close to my my mind map. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually come down here to this and grab this spacer element, and I'm just going to drag it and drop it between the mind map and the video, and that just gives me a little bit of more space so that I don't have to so that they're not, so close to each other. Okay, so now so that's how I do the WeVideo. Powtoons the same way. I go to my video. Oops. You want to make sure that you publish your video first, and you're going to go to, let's see, when I click on it, okay, when I click on the video itself, I should be able to go to the Share tab and find the code. Now you probably could increase the size of that to maybe 800 width, and either click and copy the code or just click on the copy to clipboard. Okay, so now I'll go back to Weebly, and same thing, drag an embed code down. Okay, and I'm going to paste my URL in there. It doesn't look like it's showing up. I've had this problem with Powtoon before where it doesn't look like it's showing up. But what I suggest is first go to click on Publish and go look at the live view. Sometimes the code just doesn't show up in Edit View, but it will show up in the live view. So I'll come over here, Projects, Digital Story, and there's my mind map, there's my video, and my Powtoons will eventually show up. Okay, it's just gonna load. So so don't panic if your Powtoon doesn't show up. If you do create that, just make sure that you go and publish it and take a look at your live view. Okay. Now, if you are going to do, instead of a WeVideo or Powtoons, let's say you're going to do a YouTube video, there is a YouTube element here where I can just drag and drop, and then all I need is the link to that YouTube video. Okay, so you can do that as well. All right. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.